So if you want to take dirty jewellery like this and get it cleaned up, what you want to do is get yourself some of this silver dip. Now what I do is I also use a set of brass tweezers as well, just because it helps keep the it fresh in here. I would recommend using gloves as well. The reason why I use brass ones is it kind of makes the mixture go a little bit funky. It already smells like eggs, and all you do, you just pop it in there. Now this is a bit of an old concoction. Just be careful with some stones in there. Put these ones in as well. Then just leave it for a few minutes.
A few moments later.
So I recommend doing this by the sink. Got the tap running. Undo the lid. I've only put the lid on just because it does smell of rotten eggs. And then fish them out. Dry that off there. Just giving it a quick clean there, and just quick rub with a lint-free cloth. You can use special jeweller's cloth for this. This is just, I think, a bit of an old bed sheet or something. And yeah. As you can see, this is just a slight dip because I wanted to retain some of the original colouring, but you can see there they've really come up quite nice, and they've still got that look of age about them, and they're nice and sellable now. So yeah, just a quick way of cleaning up some of your silver, but just be careful with things like pearls and other gemstones in it. This is a prime example where you've got to check whether the stones are okay, because it's completely messed up this lapis. Don't know what's going on there, but it's almost like there's moisture behind it. So I'm going to let them dry out, but you can see it's definitely got the silver a lot better. But a bit of the old metal polish, and they've cleaned up a treat.